the future of the non-immigrant employment visa versus Trump and Biden. Next slide. Under the Trump administration, the DREAM Act program for deferred action for childhood arrivals and the DAPA programs reinstituted with student aid. And so the idea is that Trump has been trying to end the DACA program created by President Obama, and the Supreme Court said that the Trump ending of the program was unconstitutional. There is a set question as to whether or not Trump will attempt again to ban the DACA program while they see whether or not the Supreme Court would allow him to go forward. The Biden programs or initiatives under immigration would end mass workplace raids where people are working and they go through everybody's papers to make sure that they actually have the ability to work. He would reinstitute particular social group, which has primarily been Latin American people, as well as smaller groups of people who apply for asylum and have that happen. He intends to end the program of building a wall and, of course, the current Muslim ban as it relates to those people from those certain countries on the list, and allow people who have received temporary protected status. That's Haiti, Congo, other countries that have received temporary protected status because of problems in their country. They would then be allowed to receive citizenship under the Biden plan. Also, Trump has ended the military service exceptions, and so Biden has pledged to allow people who serve in the military to get expedited citizenship and permanent residence, and allow them to continue on the path to citizenship and legalization. And of course, the transfer of temporary work visas to expanded numbers for visas for union or market jobs, which is really important in terms of increased salaries that are available to people who are on temporary work visas. That is a proposal by Vice President Biden. And of course, Trump has suggested that he would end the diversity lottery program. So many times people are here in status, they find out that they are running a diversity lottery where you apply for a green card and people put in their application and sometimes they're successful. So if you are one of those people, we definitely have some clients who have put in a lottery application and have been successful while they were here as students. And so we would love to help you in that process to make sure that your application is in and that you will be able to convert your F1 student visa to a green card. Next slide. So as we conclude, there's a need for follow-up, as I said, to determine what are your particular circumstances and what you are eligible for. It is a terrible situation to be thinking that this doesn't apply to you. Like the judge said, every plane has a possibility of crashing. And so I don't want you to go by one person's individual story of what happened to them to determine what you should do next in terms of your immigration status here in the United States. It's important to me that you get actual specific advice that is based on your resume, your history, your background, your qualifications. And so it's very important that you are given advice that is particular to you. And we hope that this information has kind of opened your mind to what the potential possibilities are. And then you can actually schedule for a consultation and actually get specific information about what you would be eligible for and what you should try to do. So